Parts of pancreas and their relations. Here is the arsenate process. This is head of the pancreas. This is neck of pancreas. It is body. And lastly, tail of pancreas. Head of pancreas has three borders: superior, inferior, and right lateral border. The superior border is related to the first part of duodenum and the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. The inferior border is related to the third part of duodenum and the inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery. The right lateral border is related to the second part of duodenum, terminal part of the bile duct, and the anastomosis between the superior pancreatico-duodenal and the inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery. Now let us see the relations of the arsenate process. Anteriorly it is related to the superior mesenteric vessels, and posteriorly it is related to the abdominal aorta. Neck of pancreas is the part where posteriorly the formation of portal vein occurs. Posteriorly it is related to the formation of portal vein from the splenic vein and the superior mesenteric vein. Anteriorly the neck of pancreas is related to the superior mesenteric vessels. Superior border of pancreas is related to the celiac trunk, splenic artery, and common hepatic artery. Inferior border of body of pancreas is related to the superior mesenteric vessels on its right end. Anterior surface of the body of pancreas is related to the lesser sac, stomach, infracolic compartment of greater sac, coils of jejunum, then duodenojejunal flexure and left colic flexure. Now let us see the relations of posterior surface of pancreas. The body of pancreas is posteriorly related to the aorta, origin of superior mesenteric artery, left suprarenal gland, upper pole of left kidney, left renal vein, splenic vein, and left crus of diaphragm.